Well, we're being told it's likely going to be our new normal of keeping a distance of about 2 meters or 6 feet from the next person. Now, this buffer zone is likely going to take some getting used to. And that's why an Edmonton-based company has started a new venture of stickers as a reminder to keep the distance. You've likely seen a busy grocery store over the past few weeks, one of the many industries forced to adapt quickly to a new reality.
It's just trying to make a difference. We want to make sure we're doing all we can to create that social awareness.
Cowan Graphics has gotten orders for stickers like these from across the country, stores, restaurants, and even gas stations, giving physical reminders of the space to leave in line.
Just a social reminder really is where we're going with this. Is people know to be hygienic, people know to be distanced. They're gathering that really quick over the last week, but how do we get that education everywhere?
They're also starting to make sneeze guards or acrylic separators for tills.
There's some grocery chains that have already started implementing them. So that's going to be a social change. Those are not going away. They're not temporary. Those are going to be there for the rest of our lives, really.
The stickers and guards also keeping the company operating during difficult economic times, all for their employees.
What are we doing to make sure that they're secure? And we're not overwhelming the unemployment system, which it is. And fearfully, it's looming. It's looming for us. It's looming for many, many businesses. And we're fortunate that we currently have an opportunity to continue to operate.
In Edmonton, Carly Robinson, City News.